In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the zoom level in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, the first option that you can do is by using the control button, or if you are using the Apple, that's going to be command button plus the plus icon to zoom in. You see that? If you want to zoom out, I want you to press the control button or command if you're using Mac plus the minus button to zoom it out. It's super simple. Now, the next option is I want you to go to the top right corner where you can see the 3 horizontal lines. As you can see, if you hover down below, there is the option to zoom out and zoom in. You just have to scrub the plus button and the minus button accordingly. But as you can see, the limit is around 500%. Now, the third option is go to the settings and go to the general and hover down below where you can see the zoom option right here. Now, you see that there is going to be the default and there is the drop down menu where you can select the percentage wherein you want to zoom in. For example, I'm going to be choosing 170 and there you go. Okay? Not only that, you have more control if you want to zoom the text only. You see that? And basically, that's how you change the zoom level in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.